Do you honestly think you're fucking funny? Seriously. You're a fucking ugly little cunt, mate, and if I ever see you, I'm gonna fucking slit your fucking face wide open, yeah? You're a fucking angry little fucking spastic. Right, I'll tell you what, you fat little cunt. You're boring. You don't sound Nigerian at all. So, go and fuck yourself. Go and fucking crawl in a dirty, dank little hole where you fucking come from, you dirty, dragon-eating little fucking spastic. Right, okay, the dragon comment was probably a little bit fucking over the top, but at the end of the day, you're fucking boring. Every single person who watches your videos are fucking stupid. They're fucking ignorant little cunts.